Sakni pagbai, sakni nambai, pengmak hatutu. Ojorak ketal, cini bumung kesam.
Toto borok sisade.
Mari kono mudange.
Toto borok sisade.
Mari kono mudange.
Toto borok sisade.
Mari kono mudange.
Lipor ko borok.
Dai for ko borok.
Lipor ko borok.
Dai for ko borok.
Lipor ko borok.
Bung selengadang. Senai kerei kau sabwani kaji rol. Kaji mutai rol. Bisu salsati gugna payu.
Lipor ko borok.
Dai for ko borok.
Lipor ko borok.
Dai for ko borok.
Toto borok sisade.
Mari kono mudange.
Toto borok sisade.
Mari kono mudange.
And all the leaders here present, city leaders, activists, and different social organization leaders, artists, singers, everyone. Since astabal-o, we know that the demand for Roman script for chobao, it has been more than a decade. It has been more than 50 years that the demand for Roman script has been placed to the government, but till now we know that the government are silent and they were a silent spectator. They never wanted the issues of the indigenous people to be solved. And today from this very gathering in this sit-in demonstration, I want to pass the message to the government and as well as to all the people, the kotor speaking people especially, to choose our script should be decided by the indigenous people, by the kotor speaking people, by the kotor speaker. What language, what script to choose for us language. It is the matters of us, of our people. It is not the matters of any other community. It is because we know that the language is our pride identity. Since astabal-o Nokhorjak language is one of the richest language. We have so much pride and identity in our language. I want to remind my dear fellow peoples, my dear friends, brothers, in the history, looking back, we know that there is a creation of different country based on language movement. That is the example we know in our neighboring country. Bangladesh has not been just created. There is a movement for language, for the identity, for the protection of language of Bengali. That is why just after the independence of India and Pakistan, there was a movement of language, of Bengali language. That is how the Bangladesh has been created. They succeeded in 1971. There was a creation of Bangladesh in 1971. This is all the result of the language movement of the Bengali people for their language. In the same way, from this very gathering, I want to pass the message that we shall overcome. We will win. We'll bring the victory. We'll write in Roman script whatever we want. It is our identity. It's a matter
for to make any MLA or MDC. This is to die for our Roman script and for our kotor. If you are ready to die, you come. Please come here. Don't expect that this platform will make MLA or MDC or any chairman or more province MLA MDC chairman. Please. And yak turke sawo any neta, okay, if he loves Roman script, if he loves kotor, please आ जाओ, इसमें बैठो, हमारे साथ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद करो, ठीक है? Okay, at the same time, angkai kaisa 30 point kan, sengluka last 50 years, political develop kali pelaka, andron kali pelaka, tabu tini oh platform na sini, Sanani nayo, sini dol di torok kaite, dokan di torok kaite. Let us make a social regulation. Social regulation. Samajik develop kalai no political gain, no political solution. Kerana politically obakun deno solution. Mereka. Abono ang cinta kalayo, abono bagian ang sananayo. Appeal kalayo to every educated, every corner, every people, young, old, everybody, every society. Semua social revolution, samajik develop kalau lain, awasara, ekor chance kere, success nani. Fourthly, yang precise di sana nayo, say, sini kau borok sanani. To speak our kau borok is at our liberty. Sini sadinota at our liberty. Oro kebono seng bohogola trimo biya kebono musumani biya sini kau mani kau sanani jotoni odikar. If non-speaking groups, they speak their own language, we appreciate. But then I appeal to the non-Kokorok speaking group to appreciate our language because this is my mother tongue. The way you love your mother tongue, you must love and respect my mother tongue also. Angkai awal bagainya ang appeal kalayo for non-speaking people. Ang kebuno Johnny Samo puya, ang kebuno Nasri Sanan puya. This is not a platform to hate anybody, to revolt against anybody. But then we humbly petition, submit our petition. We humbly appeals to our non-speaking people. Please, you must, the way you love your language, you must show your love and respect for our Kokorok also. Then only there is Sabani Kotongo, Nana Basa, Nana Bombo, Nana Puridan, Bibi Deri Magat Majadeko, Milan Mohan. If that is the case, then the way you love your language, you must love my Kokorok also. Then only Milan Mohan. There is possible of Milan Mohan. Hey, Diba, I know Nunkan Kokro Nasir Zago. And say, Milan Mohan, hey, Diba, there cannot be any Milan Mohan. You must respect my Kokorok also. Okay, take a sana na yo sini lawan speaker Fatima Saitaka kamu commission dong lain pun dengan commission cannot solve any problems. Setting the commission, last 50 years we have tried. Last 50 years in commission, commission, sama seorang commission did not solve. These are all politicized. These are all politicized. Ang kabuk sana na yo, apil pala yo, ini o platform ni matome, there should be referendum. Ang kok sanay, ang kamu bay kok sanay, kamu bay sinay, this is my liberty and my liberty. Amo ni bagay no, tini sunjok to sa no, 99% Kokorok speaking group, they want Roman script. Roman script. Let there be referendum. Hadi. Ground of Punirai Sigainai, who loves Roman script? Referendum. Or a commission, related to love to it, let there be referendum, then the finally government will decide. As a social regulation, the beginning of social regulation, I want to Manda Hatal Sampani Manda Pene, Taku Tebuko, Jotunona, humble request, Kalayo, senior social regulation, Tinini Simi Oro, Camera Paskan Basale Chiripok Remavia, it will continue. Our protector Kuna Kachia, who Dr. Takan Sovinai, we want Roman spirit for Kokorok. Kaze Ochikun Sakok Sainai, Angkaina Hayani, Jovani Chiba Yapere, Amari Hamai Unko, Kani Hama, Ani Oko Taizan, or not, but long live Kokorok, Human.
Left that the people of this land, the indigenous people of this land have been struggling and asking and demanding for Roman script and the Kokorok. Some 4 decades, more than 40 years in Lai Tangka, Soba Klaimang. Antini Kacha no sini Siklar Tanimo, Cox Hawaii and message from Musogo. There is an intention there. Sini o dofa, sini o zatino, sokomorona ni bangoy, sini mungno, sokomorona ni bangoy, sini kokno sokomorona ni bangoy, or neo belai kotor mas hor jontro tongo, omosung belai ke clear. Omo kok sakra ke paksa hone political message, political speech uninai, but it automatically comes in my mind. Jotan ni pekhawo phayo. If we look at the history, Canada wa kamang ma indigenous people extinct ng kakamay tangka. Borne identity klika borne kok klika Australia wa kabang ma arni original bororo kamay tangka borne kok klika borne sulmung krini bangoy borne identity krini bangoy. New Zealand is the same, Sri Lanka is the same, kamang ma subcontinent ro omahai klaimna ap origin indigenous people, original people rokni kamay thangmani sangno extinct man nogom. Reason being borok ni identity pila sukmanai. Majority borok je ruler hi tone rok, intellectual group tone rok, borokni instinct borokni intention omono motha sikong borok dofa sikano sokomorinani rule khlainani omongka instinct omongka history proofs khlaibo ani chiklarok mirok mithani okongno sana musago the time has come for you and for me sengsini omo better oro thui thangbai jakha o hawok rika ang samane 5 decades almost 50 years omono soba khaimani tamani homale tabok royakho tabok sing mayakho omoni bangai na sini omo haijarawo roman script for kokbrok choba hi sing business sikang omo form klaika joto 56 constituent body by khaja khlaibinai omono sing tebu ma rak saronai tebu ma omono yakma pholok lainai tani homale angderokno ang tiniwo sengkra khninai sanai tani homale sirina hormon roman script for kokbrok choba only sengkra can move forward sengkra जों जतो सेंक्रा ओ हा सागाव जों सारबाय फायनानि हगाखै जों सेंक्रा जों तयार मा खालायनाय आं थाइसिङाव खरकसा सिनि नर्थ इस्ट चेनेल नि इंग्लिश चेनेल आं मनो साका नाउ इट इज zero tolerance this generation